In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a bank statement in Zoho Books. Whether you're a new user or looking for a refresh, this guide will help you streamline the process with ease. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is a central hub that provides a quick overview of your financial data, including recent transactions and account summaries. This is where you'll start your journey to upload your bank statement. Now, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. From this list, you'll need to click on Documents. Clicking on Documents takes you to another screen that organizes all your file uploads and document management tools. It's a very handy feature for keeping all your financial data well organized and easily accessible. On this new screen, focus your attention on the section specifically labeled Bank Statements. Clicking on Bank Statements will direct you to where all your bank-related documents are or will be stored. This space is crucial for tracking your financial transactions and ensuring that everything aligns with what you have in your accounts. Next up, you'll see a button that says Upload File. This is the tool you'll use to get your bank statement into Zoho Books. Click on Upload File, and a file selection window will pop up. Here, you'll need to choose the specific bank statement file from your computer that you want to upload. It's important to ensure that your file is in the correct format, such as PDF, SV, or other acceptable formats that Zoho recognizes. Once you've selected your file, simply click Open to begin the uploading process. The progress of your upload will be displayed on the screen, and you'll need to wait a few moments for it to complete. If the upload is successful, the bank statement will now be part of your Zoho Books documents, ready for you to use for accounting and tracking purposes. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a bank statement to Zoho Books. By following these simple steps, you'll enhance your financial record keeping and ensure that everything is in order for your accounting needs. We hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Zoho Books. Have a great day, and until next time.